Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video, I'm going to give you guys a full breakdown on how to stake a point in Field Genius. So I've already got a point in my project, but you can do this off a CSV file, a DXF file, any designed engineered file, or even just a CSV staking list that you can import into Field Genius. And we have videos on our survey-assistant.com website showing you exactly how to do that. But I'm going to show you how to stake your point here. So what you're going to do is head to your staking menu. Now you can see here, I have an RTK fix in the bottom right corner here. If you look at my receiver, the radio light is flashing. With those two things ready to go here, I can begin to take my point. And if you don't know how to get an RTK fix, do reference my how to set up a basin rover or how to set up a network rover video. But what I'm going to do here is on the left side of the screen here, I'll just do it again. You click this arrow and you can see here that I have a point available to be staked, but you could have a list of points here. You can have anything you want. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on point 3 and you can see here it's giving me directions to said point. So if I expand out my map screen, you can see here I got to go south, east, and a certain elevation. And as I move around on the screen here, you can see that it's live updating on my map position. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to begin to head towards those directions here. So I'm going to head a little bit south and a little bit west here until I get close to my point. And as I get close to my point, what I'm going to begin to look for is that at the top left of my screen there, all of my arrows turn green. So you can see here I'm 7 mils to the south, and I'm a little bit to the east, so let me move my point over here. Okay, I'm within 7 mils, 3 mils, and then my elevation is pretty much bang on. Now, if I had a difference in elevation, I would have a cut and fill that was maybe a bit more noticeable. But with my point set here, I'm going to click on RTK fixed. That will store my results for my stake point. So you can see here my northing, I'm 4 mils off. In my easting, I'm just about 2 cents off. And then in my elevation, I'm pretty much bang on. But it's that simple. That is how you stake a point inside of Field Genius.